like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna analyze a massive shift in Gen AI. Higgsfield, the world's fastest growing creator friendly AI company, and is preparing to drop Seedance 2.0. Why is the internet calling this a deep seek moment for a video? Because it's moving us from guessing with prompts to directing with data. We have gathered the early singles from Reddit and X, known as Twitter. The specs are wild, class is in session, and let's break it down. Alright, so first, let's look at the home base. Let's go to Higgsfield, the official website. Okay, this is how the website looks. Alright, and before diving in, I have created few tutorials of Higgsfield. You guys can check it out. Alright, so the current workflow is already smooth. The 2.0 is bringing in a director dashboard feel. You just have to, this is your website, the official website. Alright, and when you go to Higgsfield Seedance /2.0, it's coming soon. Just enter your email and you will get notified. Let's see what are the key features of Seedance 2.0. Alright, instant creation, only one click video recreation, guys. Turn a single sentence into a complete video. You can replicate trending clips, reimagine iconic scenes. The AI captures styles, structure, intent, so you can skip hours of manual editing. It's written here. Alright, and undefined multi-input control. Alright, so you can feed up 12 assets at once: image, video, audio clips, and text, and so on. And Seedance 2.0 reads each input role automatically and you will get your result. Alright, that's interesting. Okay, frame level. Okay, every character and object, composition, detail stays locked across your entire video. Alright, control fonts, scene transition, and screen rhythm down to individual frames for polished professional results. So we have result, and few of the result you have seen in the beginning also, right? Say multi-camera storytelling. Alright, and we have multi-camera storytelling. Look at the result, guys. Generate new storylines or extend existing videos with natural shot connection. Character movements, narration and environment, sounds and camera angles stay in perfect. Audio visual sync across every cut. Okay, and you guys can create an anime video as well. Alright, high impact motion scenes, generate intense action and fight sequence with realistic body dynamics and effects and fast camera tracking. So you guys can see how it is exciting what we will get in Seedance 2.0. Alright, also there are few footage here. So this is the future of video, Seedance 2.0 creative engine. Guys, you can join the waitlist. I'll put in the link description. Alright, before we go to the blog post, I have already told you how to access it. Alright, just join the waitlist. Alright, okay, now let's go ahead to the blog post. Alright, Seedance 2.0 AI video, technical preview and user discussion. If you want any information that you want to gather about Seedance 2.0, you can go to the blog post. Plus, I will put the link in the description as well. Alright, so Seedance is an emerging AI video generation model increasingly discussed across public previews and creator communities as single of where cinematic AI video is heading. This article explores open signals, expectations, and early observation around Seedance 2 based on publicly available discussion rather than hands-on testing. Alright, so these are the expectations. Okay, are shifting towards sequence level. Okay, everything is in detail, guys. It can clear out your doubts, any doubts that you have. You go to the blog post and just read. Everything will clear out your doubts. Alright, see the result of this clip. Okay, you can see how entire clip, how realistic the result is, how cinematic the structure of the entire clip is. Alright, you can see how it is. So Seedance is often referenced in the context as part of a new generation of AI video models that appear designed with scene level logic in mind, where emotion unfolds over time with fewer abrupt shifts. This aligns with growing interest in AI generated videos that can support sustained pacing, atmospheric shots, and deliberate camera movement. So everything is in detail, macro shots, physics, and fine motor behavior. Okay, so I hope you guys get the idea. This is everything in detailed. It can clear your doubts. If you have any questions, you can read the blog post. Alright, in environments like Higgsfield, where generated videos can be combined with motion design, typography, and timing control, models aligned with these expectations become more relevant as foundational layers rather than final outputs. Alright, this is so cool. So now you know how Seedance 2.0 is. Alright, we have seen the blog post, we have seen the key features that it's gonna have. Alright, but here Seedance 1.5 Pro is there. Alright, you can, if you have a prompt, then you can insert a prompt, and it's better to have a start frame, end frame. It's better to have an end frame, so it's more detailed, more realistic, and it can reach your expectations. Alright, and click generate. You can choose your ratio as well, how you want your video to be. Alright, so everything is hands-on. You can change according to your needs as well. Alright, okay, so now let's go to the Twitter, to the X. So this is a video, Seedance 2.0 testing 01. This is an enemy video. You can see how realistic it is. Let's watch from the top. Okay, how realistic it is. Let's see another video.
You think you're tough, you think you're strong, you're just a copycat singing my song.
Okay, so Seedance precise action replication. Alright, just include the image reference, motion reference video, and generated result. So this is like super duper cool, guys. Let's play it from the top. So you can see how realistic it is. You can generate an entire film scene with sound, and you can use enemy also, guys.
喂，弟子定不辱命。
我与师兄同往。师兄，里面戒备比预想的严，我们按原计划从后墙翻入。
师妹，你先上，我来断后。小心，藏经阁就在前殿，别打草惊蛇。想走，没那么容易。
师兄小心！
哎！小美人儿，别挣扎了。孽障，休得伤人。师傅。
So you can see how the result is. You can even film action scene like Jackie Chan, Jackie Chan, the way how Jackie Chan fights, super duper cool, and you can do it with Seedance 2.0. Alright, so I hope you get the idea, guys. Plus, I would like to show an important thing. So here is the pricing page. You can pick your plan according to your needs: basic, pro, ultimate, and creator. So there are each plan have their own benefits, so you can go and pick your plan wisely and use your credits also wisely. Alright, okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, then please support the channel, because it takes so much of effort and time to create a video tutorial just for you guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching until the very end, do comment I have watched until the very end, or you can comment Seedance 2.0 or drop a yellow heart or yellow star. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.